Hello students, we are again back with another deepest idea of some of the physical quantities. Let's say we have discussed about time, we have discussed about ampere, we have discussed about Kelvin or light intensity. But right now what we are learning is giving you the some of the clear idea what actually time consisting of. So let's say time. First of all, we are just see that time. Basically, time is a second or day or hours. We are familiar about such type of words. But in the depth of it, whenever we are just starting our journey to learn physics, we must acquire such type of questions to ourselves. What actually time consisting of? So for better understanding, let's say we have a cesium element. It is a radioactive element. If its emission is of 9.1 cross 10 to the power 10, if it is emitting such type of atoms, small molecules from it, it's having the time period of 1 second. It means that on every second it is keep on emitting, it's a particle, and it is up to emitting 9.1 cross 10 to the power 10 elements from it. It is called as it's a total time, and from that we can call it, it has suggested us 1 second time. Yes, there is another example for us, that is called as a quartz element. In the some of the good companies wristwatches, you may have seen that a quartz element. Its a property is that it is called as a piezoelectric property. It means that whenever you are applying pressure to it, whenever you are applying a voltage to it, it will keep on vibrating, and its vibrations are of quickly, very clearly, naturally of a 1 second. It means that let's say it is over here, and then after applying of pressure and voltage, it will move up and down. It is a time period of 1 second. From such concept, some of the atomic clocks are so sure that if you are counting time, you can find it out. It will function for 5000 years, and there will be only error of 1 second. This is called as a surety of it. It is called as accuracy. Yes, this is a good word for us, because later after this chapter we will just discuss about how accuracy will mean to us. Another word that is called as ampere. This is a very good unit of electric current. But what scientists have suggested, why we are saying that it is 1 ampere, it means that we have one length. Let's say I am just suggesting us that 1 meter length. So let's say this is 1 meter, and into this electrons are passing. Let's say this is the symbol, a representation of electron, and through this length, if we are applying the pressure of onto this, if we are applying the pressure of 2 cross 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. Friends, this is the unit of a pressure, Newton per meter. It is also derived units. So 2 cross 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter is applied on the one wire containing electron, then it is called as 1 ampere. Again I am repeating you, again I am saying you, this is only for our understanding of the units. Next one is called as a Kelvin. Let's say it is represented for a triple point of water. You may have heard the name of a triple point. What is the meaning of a triple point? This is the one condition, or this is the phase when solid, liquid, and gases, all those three phases existing at the same time, it is called as a triple point of a water is called as a 1 divided by 273.16. It is called as our Kelvin temperature. Next one is called as a candela. It is called as a light intensity, very famously known as a lux. Let's say, what is light intensity? Let's say if I am saying that what amount of light your tube light is delivering into your room, you will say it is giving me sufficient amount of light. But yes, this is not the proper language or proper unit. So if you want to see that what amount of lux whenever you are purchasing tube light or bulb, just have a scene on that what amount of power wattage, apart with that what amount of light intensity it is showing us or delivering us. So it's a following some of the basic parameters. Let's say I have a room which is of this much square meter. So into the area of a 1 divided by 60,000 area, very smaller area, and this much amount of temperature, candela, and light can be placed at pressure of 1.01 10 to the power 5. Again, I am using this unit of a pressure, Newton per meter square, or it is called as a Pascal. We will go into depth of it in a later some of the clips. So if my area is this much square meter, 1 divided by 60,000, its temperature is a 2042 Kelvin, and it has been placed in the pressure of this much part. It is 1.01 cross 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Then whatever amount of light it is producing, it is called as a lux or candela. Last unit, it is called as a mole, and it is widely represented by the again same thing, mole, because there is a short form. If I am using short form of m, you might be confused that I have used the unit of a meters. So mole. So mole is called as a amount, or you can say that meager amount means small amount. Another unit of a mole or which we will use in future is called as a AMU. You have to remember it because in some of the exams, in school exams, we are asking that what is the full form of AMU. It is called as atomic mass unit. Sometimes it is represented by the U or AU. It means that it's a common definition is that unexcited C12's 12th part. Friends, C12 is a new word for you. You might aware about the isotopes. It is called as one isotope of a C12 element. It's an unexcited level. Yes, you will gradually learn what is actually unexcited mean, and it's a 12th part. It is called as a U. So in a mole category right now in 11th up to 11th, yes, in chemistry as well, and in physics we will use that up to 11th. Mole, it is small amount, and AMU, it is called as atomic mass unit. A, M and U, it is represented by the symbol AU and U, and it's called as a unexcited C12 isotope of carbon's 12th part. Hope this clip may have cleared your ideas what actually 1 second, ampere or 1 ampere or Kelvin, candela and mole, how we have formed it out and how we are using it. It is only for our understanding, not for the academic purpose.